All right, so if you're here because LDPlayer is stuck at 30%, 50%, or 94% and just refuses to launch, you're in the right place. And this is actually a very straightforward fix once you know what's causing it. The reason this happens on most modern PCs is something called virtualization-based security. Windows 11 keeps this running automatically in the background, and LDPlayer 9s or 7, the engine cannot start properly when it's active. So what we're going to do is disable it in 3 places, and after that, your emulator will launch without any issues. Now you might be thinking, I already turned off Hyper-V from Windows features. Why is it still stuck? Because disabling it from there alone is not enough. There's a separate boot level setting that keeps the hypervisor running regardless, and that's what we're fixing first. So open the Start menu and search for CMD. Then right-click Command Prompt and run it as administrator. Once it's open, type this command exactly as it appears on screen. BCDedit / set hypervisor launch type off. Hit enter and wait for it to confirm the operation completed successfully. That's the boot level hypervisor disabled. Next, open the Start menu again and search for Control Panel. Go to Programs, then click Turn Windows Features on or off. Here, we need to make sure 3 things are unchecked. At the top, you'll find Hyper-V. Uncheck that. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Uncheck both of those as well. Now, one thing worth mentioning here, sometimes unchecking these two isn't enough on its own. I already mentioned that in my preview videos if you noticed that. What actually works is checking both boxes first, restarting your PC so Windows registers the install, then coming back and unchecking them again and restarting one more time. That second restart is what properly removes the feature rather than just toggling it off. Go ahead and restart your PC now. After the restart, try launching LDPlayer. For most people, it will open normally at this point. But if you're still seeing it stuck, there's one more step. Open Windows Security, and once it's open, go to Device Security, and then click on Core Isolation Details. Look for Memory Integrity on top, and turn off Memory Integrity. Restart once more after that, and LDPlayer should load completely without getting stuck. And that's the fix. Virtualization-based security was the culprit the whole time. Now, before I go, if you're tired of dealing with this kind of thing altogether, or you just want better performance out of your emulator, I'd actually recommend switching to MSI App Player. It's lighter than most alternatives, handles modern Android apps really well, and you won't run into these virtualization conflicts the same way. And if you have a decent PC, BlueStacks is also worth considering. Both BlueStacks and MSI App Player actually run on the same engine now. MSI is just the lighter version of the two. And honestly, both are solid choices in 2026. Links are in the description. Hope this helped. See you in the next one.